June 28th, and that Bombardier is back out of the shop, and Daisy's very sad. So I'm just on my lunch break here and came out to check on the status, and these guys are loaded up. And it looks like they're missing the plywood from the front. Probably have to still install that. What's going on?
His hitch is no good.
Oh. Okay, so we had an issue here with the hitch, but Bombardier's all loaded up, and it's going to be ready to go here very soon. And got Randy here helping out again, and end of an era on this one. Been here since October 2023. It's now June 28th, and it's rolling out. Yeah, I didn't really start working on this one until about February, but in the last month I've been whipping him like pretty crazy, so he's tired, but I know he's going to be happy to see this one go. And the customer has about a 14-hour drive to go home, but we're going to check in with Dad and the customer before they leave here. So did you think you were going to be put to work there, Jeff?
I kind of hoped I would be.
Now, luckily it turned a bit.
Can we get on the flat side?
Yeah. And when you lend this out,
I tell you, the way stuff comes back, it's crazy.
never happened to me.
Yeah. So they found an issue here with the hitch as they were loading up, and customers then put to work here to fixing his own hitch.
Okay, now just a minute.
It's time for the big breaker bar.
So they got the breaker bar out here now. That's just spinning in the vise now.
Is it really?
Yeah. Okay, guys, what do you think? Are you happy with all what happened here?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's been quite a journey.
Okay, so you're happy with what happened with the machine, and
I feel bad your dad doesn't have any hair left.
yeah, well, that's the stress from the last month alone. So shake hands, and hopefully we stay friends and come up here.
Tight lines and straight shooting.
Right?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, now you're going to have some little blips here and there, and then you know it's common until you get it all proven. Now, if you have any trouble, you phone me, and I think I can get you on the right track.
Oh, you'll get me on the track. I know that.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Well, let's put this in and see how it looks.